In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select Add Password over here. Now input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!